Before the team began building the bedtime night switch, a planning and design session was held. During this session, a 6-slide storyboard was developed as a rough outline of how our Rube Goldberg machine would function and what it would do. After the design session, the next step was to acquire the materials and then begin to assemble the machine. During the assembly of the bedtime night switch, we performed troubleshooting tasks that ultimately impacted the design of our machine. We also learned setting up dominoes can be a very frustrating task. A lot of tape was required to keep the wheel from just ripping the string off the light switch. The 2 textbooks were added to the ramp to guide the wheel into the path of the dominoes. As mentioned previously, there was troubleshooting done. We struggled to get the car to go up the ramp, so we laid a second folder on top of our original folder to provide the car with a better surface to grip, allowing it to get up the ramp. Here you can see the final design, and as you will notice at the end, instead of the dominoes knocking a tennis ball off the table, it is knocking a heavier wheel which was required to get the light switch to actually turn off. After a great deal of struggle with the car, finally a semi-successful run was achieved. This first trial was successful enough that we knew we had to make a few tweaks, but went well enough to assure us we had a good machine designed. The first step is to release the car and have it go up the ramp and proceed to hit the domino. The wheel then falls down the ramp, guided by the books, and crashes into the domino train. The domino train is then knocked over, and as the domino train hits the last domino, it bumps into the wheel, which is sent off the table. The wheel falling off the table then tugs on the string attached to the light switch and turns the lights off.